Keep your cat entertained for hours with the interactive wooden whack-a-mole cat toy. Made from natural solid wood, this safe and eco-friendly toy is perfect for stimulating your cat's natural hunting instincts. Designed to provide endless interactive fun, it encourages exercise, reduces boredom, and helps maintain a healthy weight. No assembly is needed. Just unbox and let the fun begin. Whether for solo play or bonding time with your pet, this durable and engaging toy is a must-have. Looking for the perfect gift for a cat lover? This is it. Grab yours now. Check out the product link in the description.